But me yesterday, I hope you beat you and I want to take you out of your house. Look how much things we do. Yo, Mr. Stop point up in your face.
Stick him up fire.
They want thing come out. Yo, no pack up on the things. Hold on, pack up on the things. Pack up on the things.
Everything we do.
Mr. Stop.
Panther. 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 Paint it up, take it over. One step closer. Mr. Panther in a pink shirt, red pants, black water boot. Funny hair lean to the side with a paintbrush. Watching you. Two sisters by the jungle road. Whisper plans under mango tree. They laughing at the front gate while he counting every key. He the take over, Mr. Panther. Paint your house, then he change up the answer. From the backyard fence to the rooftop corner. Paint your house, then he change up the answer. From the backyard fence to the rooftop corner. When the colors dry, he declare this mine now owner. Take over, Mr. Panther. Pink shirt shining like a banana. If you see that brush, better guard your door. 'Cause Mr. Panther come for the big takeover. He that, who that man in the red? He that, who that mash up all your plan?
Oh, the mass handle.
Yes,
Wagwan.
yes,
Why? As I said, this time deal with your body now.
yes.
And me I pass through and me see me I do a little charity work here. You understand?
Yeah,
I like how the place look, but I don't like to paint over it for you.
yeah,
I don't know if you don't like that still.
yeah.
You understand? I want a little change, but I don't charge you if you just paint over it still. I do some little painting work here.
You can't go on.
Yeah, give me the little work.
Yes, give me a little cheap price.
Painting work enough money still, but I know say through the storm, you don't really want to kill nobody, you see me?
But I don't have money for me, but I make my brother know.
What you say, you call your brother?
Yeah, me tell him.
Alright, you tell him I make you know, you see?
Yeah.
So you start you know and start do some work and stuff. You understand? And just clean up the place. See if you can clean up the place for you and stuff. You understand? Because you're a man, you know, man no for wear pink, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Pink house and no for you, man. Nice colour.
Yeah.
Alright, so I go and do what I do now, you see me? Yeah. There, man. Where yourself, man? So everything good though?
Yeah.
Yeah man, everything good man. Where yourself man? Everything good my father man. You take your medication already?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. What kind of medication are you on?
Pressure.
Pressure?
Yeah.
Okay.
But me nah no sugar do all this thing.
You know no sugar? Okay. That's good, man.
Yeah.
Very good. Boy, Andel. Boy. Me almost done run back there, you know.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Boy, me I tell you, say, the rough. Rough, man, me I tell you, man. I just look a white paint more and you know, something can just do up the top there, so. And up by edges up there, so. Yeah, man, just want to look something can deal with it, man.
And you not get it.
Me have it, man. Me have paint, man. Don't worry about the paint, man. Don't worry about that, man. After this, man, you don't have nothing to worry about, man. You don't have to worry about nothing else. You see me?
Yeah.
Right now, I tell you, man. Only mercy of God that carry me through, you know. Only mercy of God that carry me through, man. I tell you something. I have bills start from you, so up your so. You understand?
Yeah.
Terrible, man, right now. A lot of stress and something I have to deal with, you know.
So for me I know because I don't get nothing.
You say you don't get nothing?
I don't get no money, I don't get pension, I don't know work. Alright, you know. So you kind of stubborn for me.
Yeah. So, you know nobody will come check for you and something?
Well, but I just can't check me, but I'm saying sick with him back, so I don't know.
Oh, you sick with him back?
Aye.
Oh.
People them we come back and check for me there. We carry the food come give me there and carry nothing more.
What to your wife?
Well, my wife ain't left me, you know.
You left her?
Aye, I'm there crying down.
Yeah.
I'm left her friend and a different man there with your body.
Different man. So I'm a nice man?
Yeah, about nice. Upon him being a bit one nice man. But since he go a foreign, and I'm going from there and put him up on it. And write me ranking letter all in Cynthia.
And you find new man?
No, I don't find him, man. I don't know a woman.
No, I say, he find new man?
Yeah, he find him get to a different man. And saying,
Which
no.
one?
How about foreign?
Our friend?
Aye.
Oh.
And saying, no deal. Show me get redundant and there.
Well, better, you know, because if he probably went there, you know, man, you don't probably want to take over the house from you.
Yeah, and do that this.
Probably got to take over your place, man, because some people wicked, you know.
Yeah, man, and a Manchester people.
Manchester.
I say, we have him mind doing that day, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And one man I make up for send him go to America, a foreign. And he left go with him and he come back. Then left him man and come back now to the same man. And the man kill him.
Just imagine if one woman live in here. He probably take over your house.
So bad breed people. Them.
Bad breed set of people.
Yeah.
Tell them, man.
Walk up behind and sitting there.
And that terrible, you know?
Yeah, man.
Doesn't mean you can't trust people, you know?
No, man. I pray to God to help me and make the good blessing follow me.
Yeah?
And he's happy with it and the bad mind people him happen.
But boy, I see you rain come down there still, you know? I wonder, I think I can make it home in the night, yeah? So I wonder if I can stay here so tonight.
Yeah. I can come sit on the veranda.
But I go up on the road and see if I can get something and come back here.
Aye.
So, when the rain done, we come back. I mean, as I said, I don't want to go home.
Oh,
tonight.
yeah.
I don't want to bother with the home in tonight.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah.
So,
He says all this now is my room. Sister singing by the fire, feet stamping dust in the air. He steals your favorite pillow, then sits like a king in your chair. It's the takeover, Mr. Panther on the prowl tonight. He paints your world, then he claims your life inside. In the jungle, deep in the jungle, he laughs and he changes your name. It's the takeover, Mr. Panther King. Take over. Hey! Take over. Who owns the river? Who owns the sky? He points at your doorway, says, now that's mine. Pink shirt glowing in the firelight's glow. If he paints your walls, you already know. It's the takeover, Mr. Panther on the prowl tonight. He paints your world, then he claims your life inside. In the jungle, deep in the jungle, he laughs and he changes your name. Mr. Takeover, Mr. Panther King. Take over. Take over. Mr. Panther King.
Andelo!
Well, Mr. Andy, I know say I say have them a bad watcher.
But you can't come in and me yard and take up my work.
And I really say take up in, man. I just show me don't know the time of the day. I say I want to just try on it, you know. But I go with the last night and remember.
You meet back.
Say you couldn't just make me keep it. But I take up, man. I just see me there I still go and do some work. As I say, me some people are come over, you know. Here.
Can I then come one night?
In the night?
Tonight.
Alright. Me tell them. No worry yourself. Cindy! Jada!
Yeah.
Here I go. I have good news, you know.
What going on?
So, I have a new place where we go, you know. You see me? I have a new place where we go. And this time, through the on the front, we don't want too much noise on there, something, you know. You see me? Because people might complain about us and they say, boy, so we have to go move out. So we get a new place, the nest is ready.
So when we are going?
Just gather your stuff them, man. You can go up there today.
Alright.
You understand? Just go and do some work on something. So me meet, you know.
Alright, let's see.
See?
Make sure you're not trick we, you know.
Listen, relax, man. A Panther my name, you know, man.
Alright. And not take too long.
Alright.
If you know.
Welcome the girl, son, Atina.
The bag heavy, man. This heavy, man. I'm wicked. This him could even come and help with the bag.
It's an next struggle is to itself. I hope the house worth it.
And that means it too.
so
Because I
tired.
can't bother with the foolishness, you know.
Stress is God.
The neighborhood nice though.
Oh God. I feel like I want to rest me too.
Hey, listen to me. Want to be on the best behavior. As I say, this time, don't ramp. Because you are too much man come in that place too, you know. And you are the last one beat up a thing, you know. Next time, nobody come here, so. You understand? Because this is old money like in Sugan, you know, but just be on the best behavior.
The suitcase heavy, you know. No hurry up, no man.
Hey, Mr. Andel. Remember me tell you some people are come here. Remember the people I tell about say I come here. And my sister them, you know.
Evening, sir.
Oh, yeah, go with them and hold for people.
They must stay here with me until me done pain.
I come in the company take over my place, sir.
No, sir, we
I can't
not
make it go, sir.
take over your place,
I
man.
can't make it go, sir.
As me say, and my sister them, make can't make them sleep on road.
Can't make it go, sir.
Show what we room.
Hey, you no go on in here, man.
When I go with them and hold for people.
Watch out, old timer, relax now, man. Old timer, man.
You come out. Come out.
Hey, hey, hey.
Come to that old man, yeah. I want this to really bring me in them embarrassment. What kind of embarrassment them stop me
Hold
here?
on, wait. Me talk to him. Me talk to him.
But you know, see the man draw me. Want him now.
Listen, stop.
Fear
Listen.
embarrassment
Stop
when I
it.
like this,
Stop it.
man.
You don't want to draw attention, man. Relax now, man. Me
But
deal
that's
with
why
this.
you, you know.
But
That's
look
why
how
you,
the
you
man
know.
draw me.
Me deal with this.
That's
Me
why
deal
you,
with this.
man.
Mr. Andel.
Oh, sir.
So Andel, oh.
Yes, sir.
Beg you a minute, man. Cause Boss, look. I'm a little sister them, man. You just make them spend the night now.
Me can't make them come in.
Look, my boss. Look, man. I mean, you know, you must say, a long time, you know, woman in here, you know, my boss.
Me can't make you go so saka. Me can't make you go so I come.
Just make them spend the night, no?
Can't make you go so.
Just make them spend the night, man.
Come to take over the place.
No, man, they not take over the place, man. Make them spend the night, man. Come, man, and look. I'm a sister, them, man. So which one of them I like? Come.
Let's see me coach.
Eh? Come on. Hold on, which one of them I like?
I want in a shot.
In our shots. Then I can manage him.
Yeah, man.
Eh? You sure say I can manage her?
Yeah, man.
Alright, you just make them spend the night, no, man. Make them spend the night, man.
I want them no want to.
You can't manage it too. One of them you want?
Ah,
So you can't manage it too.
no, sir.
Alright, don't come.
I'm one man.
Eh?
I'm one.
Just make them spend the night. Here.
They-
Which one of them you want?
This I want.
Just like, just rub him down, man. Rub him down.
Oh.
Alright.
No, I have a tanning with me tonight and sleep with me tonight. No, I have a sleep with me tonight and keep me company.
Keep your company.
Ah,
No, chill, we can work on the bed. A real something of them, here, man. I say you go on.
I do with that.
What you mean when me I do with that? You have you see them, yeah?
I'm not want to see things them, man.
Then she not pass and gone. She left it for me.
Give me them back.
What you gonna do with them, yeah?
I protect them. I'm not
Yeah.
want something them, man.
You have used to this?
The-
Hey, let go. Hey, man, you hurt yourself. Thanks. Father bless the cook, no matter how she look.
What you know? Go on away so go sit down, man. Thanks, alright? Now I want some cheer out of say, you know. What you think? See you.
Some of them nice design chair there, you know? Nah, like, it's a nice little place, just one, you know? Some love and tender care.
Sydney. Boy, you're salty, man.
Come like the side, get rid of the meat.
And food no salt.
Yo. Oi. Go get rid of that old man.
Yeah, man, we need to go and put all people in about. We have to do what we have to do. We have to secure a place.
You don't like us, man?
Like it, we love it. Nice little place. What's the painting you put on the wall? Marvelous.
So I see it, man. I always love that color, man.
Yeah, man, nice. This fit with. Me not lie.
No, I have one question. But brother, when we fix up a place and come moving and sing, he man have no body, they not come take we out.
You know, so I don't like that little girl with the negative
Always
side.
a come with the negative.
Burn.
Go with that 12 space, man. So you cook a little food, you feel like that you have size with big people.
I'm not liking his style when he get, yo.
After all, man. But me ask him, we could have like switching medication. You know, feel so, put something in like some coke
and make you overdose in one of the antibiotic pill them. Stuff it in her. But I don't know how we do that because if it come up in her bloodstream, I have to find something to kill. They will find it in her autopsy.
In time come, man. In time come.
Why? One thing though, I like how you always look out for it. Make sure see a roof over our head.
Take time and talk, see my come.
I'm all still in the really can't hear you.
Yo, listen. Oh man, come put it in plate, man. Where you go? I know, but come out back for your side night, you know, man. You hear me say?
Yeah.
You just imagine. We just grill off the whole of your so.
Just spends up the yard.
Build a tree.
And put all the gazebo out there, so.
Big pool, me call a pool for the kids. Boy, you do it again, brother, you do it again.
Yeah, me say, I know, I'm frightened to the people, I said the people living here.
Boy.
But no, they can't find anybody.
So that means you can't go to jail?
I don't see it on Papa News.
Well, you have to go do the same thing to him, because guess what? Me not go to jail for you.
Yo, look, I'm going. Okay.
You're just 2 years older than me, yeah?
Oh, sir. You know what this? I'm telling you this, I'm responsible for this place now, you know. This a paper where you sign, I say, you know. You sign, you know, and your signature depend, you know. And not my signature, you know, your signature depend, you know.
No, some can't make it go so.
What you mean?
It just say you say I come painting for nothing.
So let me ask you this. You feel like I say all of them painting work you have for free?
Can't make it work so say now work. Now I got station you call police.
You know what they do to informer? Eh? You know what we do to informer in Jamaica? Eh? Gas station and see what go on. Gas station, Mr. Andel, and see what go on. Yeah? You know what we do to informer, man? See there. Your signature this. Your signature signed by you.
Can't make it work so sir.
What do you mean you can't make it work so? Go along a station if you think you're bad. If you think you're bad, go along a station. And see what go on in there. Make the police and come see them have the paper.
Nah, make it go so sir. Because you say I come painting for nothing. I just you say I come deep for nothing.
All me make you know say me I get some new furniture put in this place, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. Next me have start fence up the yard. Fence up the yard and something. So my mother feel like I say, things change now. Things change around here, sir. Oh.
Mr. Mdel, step out, crowd get louder. Boots on the dust, air smell powder. Who love up, Mr. Panther, you don't know. Every yard, every lane, him name. Echo, two sister, dead. Curtain just slide, peeping from the window, eyes open wide. Whisper in the dark, you see how we move. Take over the block, make the whole place groove. Rock up your body, this how the takeover. Hands to the sky when the rhythm roll over. Who love up, Mr. Panther, say raw, raw, raw. Mr. Anna run the area, yeah. Rock up your body, wine slow and faster. Rhythm like a prayer to the old grandmaster. From the gate to the bully, every queen, every soldier. Rock up your body, this how the takeover. Hey, hey. Camera in the mind, every step get framed. Cold ring flash, every move well aimed. Panther in the crowd, quiet but wild. Smile just a glisten, charm so mild. Two sisters still watch.
Yeah, that man not get no bail, you know.
Yeah, man, he can't get no beer, man. Get too much problem, man.
That's all I need.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Come to make a report, sir.
Yes.
This man say I paint the place, I trust him to paint it.
Yeah.
I say nah charge him. I man and sister come in to come run me. So I'm not very looking to it.
Wagwan, how you come to?
My name is Miss Gladys and I come to look for Mr. Andel.
Mr. Andel.
I tell him before say me know the pan pension. Yet, me have to go upon it, but I'm a birth certificate. I don't need problem, me I look out it. And he say we still do it. And him and his sister come now for run me out.
I mean, they call Mr. Panther, you know.
Yeah, okay. Your name is a Panther.
Me do painting, so if you know nobody like want no painting work on this,
Yes, right.
me do painting work on this.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
But as I said, Mr. Andel, you know, you don't really want nobody in place.
No, so this sound like a some bandulu business, man.
Yes, sir.
I mean, no man had the same thing him and going to do, saying he wants when he take him out, a fast paper I have.
Jesus Christ, I pay things are going on, you know.
Yeah, man, pay things.
You have to be careful, you know.
I tell you, he rose up on this time of blow.
Mr. Andel asleep, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man, he asleep, man. He take a pill, the man, is there.
Yes.
Yeah, man, he kind of sleep, you know, and he don't really want nobody in yard and this.
You sure?
Yes, sir. So he tell me. But I'll show me papers them.
No, man, this sound like a one scammer, man.
Serious thing, man. But he man give me chance and he want to come over my place.
What you say to me? You call a man to come paint the place and he move in.
And he might tell me say I have a document and this.
You see, when they all like that, you have to give them their space, make
Yes.
them rest.
Right.
You understand? You can't just show up in yard and this. You understand?
Yes.
Because
Give them
I
the
want to face him, you know.
Yes.
And he don't really like people in yard and
People
this.
in yard. Okay.
But if I not me tell him, say, they can't look for me honest. Yeah?
Yes, all right.
But next time, you just not just show up, so.
Yes.
Because he's an elder man and you have to look out for them.
Yes, you have to look out for them. Yes. Because I'm a church brother. So
Are you church brother?
Yes.
Yeah, man, up in the place, I came, me trap on this man, them give me rather clock before he dead. I work hard for that cane me cut. A cane piece.
So we have to go get in documents and things.
Yeah.
But first, you know, I'm going to take a statement from you.
Yeah.
You understand? So we write it down in our book.
Yeah.
So when we go to him, we have it documented already, right, sir?
Yeah. So I have document paper and he show me it.
And he show you?
Yeah.
No, man. But this sound like a civil matter then, man.
Okay. Yes.
You don't really want nobody come look for him, man. Because man take a pill them and it take a toll upon him.
Yes.
So it kind of then move from one thing to the next.
To the next, yes.
You don't really like nobody in place.
Give me about half an hour. Check me back. I will write it down and then we come down to our house, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Mr. Panther.
So when next time you come back,
Yes.
honest, yeah?
Right.
Because he kind of sick, you know.
Yes.
So you know you really need to show up in yard
Yes.
honest. And
Right.
just tell the pastor say for prayer.
Yes.
For prayer and keep him in prayer.
Right.
Yo. Where you going with? You know, so one man just go make a report for you.
Combs his wild, wild hair like a rooster at sunrise. Two sisters laughing, they can see it in his eyes. Paint on his hands, bucket by the gate. Old Mr. Hander.
And that me I tell you, you know. And nobody come take you about for your place. I say, yo, funny one thing, you know, man, me near something, you know. Boy, I can ramp with my sister, them, I show you this, man. I ramp with my sister, them, in the sleeve. Here. Still on some, man. Boy.
One time I play some, man. That's how to me, you know. Yeah.
Alright, let's see what we can do.